Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today I will discuss some more MCQs with you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Question number 1. PCR technique was developed by option A. Carey Mullis, option B. Kohler, option C. Milstein, option D. Altman. Question number 2. PCR is a DNA degradation technique, option B. DNA amplification technique, option C. DNA sequencing technique, option D. All of the above. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are true regarding PCR? Option A. Billions of copies of desired DNA can be synthesized from microgram quantities of DNA. Option B. Automated PCR machines are called thermal cycler. Option C. A thermostable DNA polymerase is required. Option D. All of the above. Question number 4. Thermus aquaticus is source of option A. Taq polymerase, option B. primase, option C. transcriptase, option D. none of these. Question number 5. All of the following are thermostable polymerase except option A. Taq polymerase, option B. Vent polymerase, option C. DNA polymerase 3 and option D. PFU polymerase. Question number 6. Basic requirement for PCR include option A. DNA sequence to be amplified, option B. 2 oligonucleotide primers, option C. Heat stable DNA polymerase and option D. All of the above. Question number 7. PFU and Vent polymerase are more efficient than Taq polymerase because option A. more efficient polymerase activity, option B. proofreading activity, option C. both A and B and option D. none of the above. Question number 8. First step of PCR is option A. denaturation, option B. annealing, option C. primer extension and option D. none of these. Question number 9. Denaturation of DNA involved heating between option A. 90 to 98 degrees Celsius, option B. 40 to 55 degrees Celsius, option C. 72 to 74 degrees Celsius and option D. none of these. Question number 10. The process of binding of primer to the denatured strand is called option A. denaturation, option B. annealing, option C. renaturation and option D. binding stage. Question number 11. Which of the following are true regarding PCR? Option A. denaturation involves heating at 90 degrees Celsius, option B. annealing involves binding of primers between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, option C. primer extension occurs at 72 degrees Celsius and option D. all of these. Number 12. Asymmetric PCR is option A. used to generate single-stranded copies for DNA sequencing, option B. used to generate double-stranded DNA, option C. both A and B and option D. none of these. Question number 13. PCR is used in option A. site-directed mutagenesis, option B. site-specific recombination, option C. both A and B and option D. none of these. Question number 14. Reverse transcriptase PCR uses option A. RNA as template, option B. DNA as template, option C. mRNA as a template to form cDNA and option D. none of these. Question number 15. Which of the following purpose PCR is used? Option A. amplify gene of interest, option B. construct RAPD maps, option C. to detect the presence of transgene in an organism and option D. all of the above. Question number 16. Radioimmunoassay is used for option A, detection of cancer biomarkers, option B, measurement of hormone level, option C, measurement of vitamin level, and option D, all of the above. Question number 17. By radioimmunoassay, we can detect option A, picogram level of substance, option B, nanogram level of substance, option C, microgram level of substance, and option D, none of these. Question number 18. Radioimmunoassay is used to detect option A, antigen, option B, antibody, option C, carbohydrate, and option D, none of these. Question number 19. Radioimmunoassay used isotope, option A, cobalt 60, option B, iodine 125, option C, sulfur 35, and option D, all of these. Question number 20. Radioimmunoassay is discovered by option A, Watson and Crick, option B, Robert Koch, option C, Barson and Yellow, option D, Pasteur. Question number 21. If we draw a graph, percentage of radioactivity versus unlabeled antigen, it will be a option A, straight line, option B, parabola, option C, hyperbola, option D, none of these. Question number 22. Which of the following enzymes are used for ELISA? Option A, alkaline phosphatase, option B, beta galactosidase, option C, horseradish peroxide, option D, all of the above. Question number 23. ELISA detects option A, antigen, option B, antibody, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Question number 24. ELISA is so sensitive because of option A, specificity of antigen-antibody binding, option B, sensitivity of enzyme, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. Question number 25. Which method is used to detect antigen? Option A, indirect ELISA, option B, direct ELISA, option C, sandwich ELISA, and option D, competitive ELISA. Question number 26. Western blot technique is used to detect option A, protein, option B, DNA, option C, RNA, and option D, none of these. Question number 27. RNA can be detected by which of the following? Option A, western blotting, option B, southern blotting, option C, northern blotting, option D, eastern blotting. Question number 28. Which of the following is true about southern blotting? Option A, detection of specific DNA sequence, option B, fragment detection by probe hybridization, option C, nitrocellulose membrane is used, option D, all of the above. Question number 29. In southern blotting, which is used? Option A, agarose gel, option B, SDS page, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Question number 30. All are true about ELISpot assay except option A, blood sample should be diluted in phosphate buffered saline, option B, streptavidin enzyme conjugate is used, option C, BCIP or NBT is used as substrate, and option D, the spots are detected by electron microscope. Now I will discuss the correct answers of the question. Question number 1. PCR technique was developed by, correct answer is option A, Kary Mullis. Question number 2. PCR is a, correct answer is option B, DNA amplification technique. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are true regarding PCR? Billions of copies of desired DNA can be synthesized from microgram quantities of DNA. That is true. Automated PCR machines are called thermal cycler. That is true. Option C is also true. A thermostable DNA polymerase is required. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 4. Thermus aquaticus is source of, correct option is Option A, Taq polymerase. Question number 5. All of the following are thermostable polymerase except option C, DNA polymerase 3. Question number 6. Basic requirement for PCR include all of the above. Correct answer is option D. DNA sequence to be amplified. 2 oligonucleotide primers are required. Heat stable DNA polymerase is also required. So correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 7. PFU and Vent polymerase are more efficient than Taq polymerase because option B is the correct answer, proofreading activity. PFU and Vent polymerase have proofreading activity, but Taq polymerase doesn't have that. Question number 8. First step of PCR is, correct option is option A, denaturation. Question number 9. Denaturation of DNA involved heating between, right answer is option A, 90 to 98 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. The process of binding of primer to the denatured strand is called, option B, annealing is the right answer. When primers are binding to the denatured strand, that procedure is known as annealing. Annealing means the binding. Question number 11. Which of the following are true regarding PCR? The right answer is option D, all of the above, because option A, denaturation involves heating at 90 degree. This is the first step. Annealing involves binding of primers between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. That is the second step. And third step, primer extension at 72 degree. All these statements given in option A, B, C, all are correct. Question number 12. Asymmetric PCR is, correct answer is option A, used to generate single-stranded copies for DNA sequencing. Question number 13. PCR is used in, right answer is option A, site-directed mutagenesis. Question number 14. Reverse transcriptase PCR uses, right answer is option C, mRNA as a template to form cDNA. Question number 15. Which of the following purpose PCR is used? Right answer is to amplify gene of interest. Option A. Question number 16. Radioimmunoassay is used for, correct option is D, because all the above are correct. Detection of cancer biomarker, measurement of hormone level, measurement of vitamin, for all these purposes radioimmunoassay is used. Question number 17. By radioimmunoassay we can detect picogram level of substance. Question number 18. Radioimmunoassay is used to detect antigen. Correct option is option A. Question number 19. Radioimmunoassay uses radioisotope, option A, cobalt 60. Question number 20. Radioimmunoassay is discovered by Barson and Yellow. Right answer option C. Question number 21. We can draw a graph, percentage of radioactivity versus unlabeled antigen. It will be a straight line. The picture in this graph, this is a straight line graph. Question number 22. Which of the following enzymes are used for ELISA? All the above, because alkaline phosphatase, beta galactosidase, HRP, horseradish peroxide, all can be used for ELISA. Question number 23. ELISA detects both antigen and antibody. Question number 24. ELISA is so sensitive because of its specificity of antigen-antibody binding. ELISA uses the specificity of antigen-antibody binding and sensitivity of enzyme-substrate reaction. That's why ELISA is so sensitive. It uses two kinds of specificity of antigen-antibody and sensitivity of enzyme-substrate reaction. So both A and B are correct. That's why the right option is option C, both A and B. 25. Which method is used to detect antigen? Correct option is option C, sandwich ELISA. Question number 26. Western blot technique is used to detect protein. Question number 27. RNA can be detected by which of the following? Right answer is option C, northern blotting. Question number 28. The correct answer is option D because all the above three, A, B and C, all are correct. Question number 29. In southern blotting, which is used? Option A, agarose gel is used for southern blotting. Question number 30. All are true about ELISpot assay except option D, the spots are detected by electron microscope. In ELISpot assay, the spots are detected by dissecting microscope, not by electron microscope. That's why the fourth option is not correct. This is the end of today's session. Thank you.